Hi everyone, I'm Audrey and this is It's On. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I'm really glad you're all here. So in today's video, we are going to do a curry pork and vegetables. This is a really easy weeknight meal. It takes less than 30 minutes to make, and it uses ground pork, an assortment of vegetables. The curry powder that I make on this channel, I'll link the link below for how to make the curry powder. This comes together beautifully, super fast, super easy, and it was quite delicious. Asher doesn't like curry, so he was out, but Steve and I both really enjoyed this. I hope that you guys will like this as much as we do, and without much more chatter, let's get cooking.